Okay, let's be real. We've all seen those success stories. I've definitely posted about them. I've done quite a few. I love finding success stories on Amazon KDP and telling you guys about them. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you get your books to show up on Amazon in front of the right people so you can become one of those success stories too? How does Amazon KDP's algorithm actually really work behind the scenes? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's going on with the algorithm and how you can use it to your advantage. Let's talk basics. Amazon's algorithm is basically a machine, literally. It's a giant data-driven engine that runs 24/7, analysing and ranking books based on a bunch of different factors. It's not some secret gaggle of people that are sat in a back room deciding whether or not a book gets famous or not. It's pure math. Now, the algorithm's job is simple. Show customers the books they're most likely to buy. But how does it know what book to show? So, what's it looking for? So firstly, keywords, sales, velocity, conversion rate, customer reviews, and even your book's pricing strategies. So let's break this down for you. So let's start with keywords, okay? Keywords, these are literally the lifeblood of your book's discoverability. Think of them like breadcrumbs that lead customers to your book. Amazon is a search engine, and just like Google, it wants to match search terms with the best possible product. And here's where many authors trip up. They don't fully leverage their 7 keyword slots. You need to think like your reader. What are they searching for? Is it romantic fantasy with dragons? Or maybe quick and easy keto recipes? The more specific you can get, and pro tip, don't repeat your title in your keywords. Use the space wisely. Amazon's algorithm takes advantage of these keywords and matches your book with readers who searched for them. But it's not just about showing up. You need to convert those clicks into sales as well. So, next let's talk about sale velocity. Sounds fancy, I know, bear with me. But it just basically means how fast your book is selling over time. The faster your book sells, the more Amazon's algorithm takes notice and starts showing it to even more people. It's like a snowball effect, basically. Sales velocity is really the key to climbing the ranks. But here's the kicker. It's not just about selling. It's about selling consistently. If you can maintain steady sales over a period of time, the algorithm will reward you by boosting your visibility. And here's where your conversion rate comes in. So, if Amazon show your book to 100 people and 10 buy it, your conversion rate is 10%. Amazon loves books that convert because it means that people are finding what they're actually looking for. So make sure your book cover, your description, and reviews are on point. They can make or break your sales. Speaking of reviews, let's face it, they matter. Probably more than most of us really think. Not in the way you might think. It's not just about having perfect 5-star ratings, in fact. In fact, a mix of 4 and 5-star ratings often looks more credible. What Amazon really care about is the quantity of reviews and also how recent they are. More reviews usually leads to more trust, and that in turn leads to more sales, which circles right back into boosting your book's rank. But don't stress if you're just starting out and you only have a few reviews. Everyone has to start somewhere. So just keep encouraging your customers to leave feedback. Slowly but surely, your reviews will count and grow over time. Now, let's move on to pricing, because here's the thing. Amazon wants to sell books. So if your price is too high or too low compared to others in your genre, then the algorithm might not be too excited about recommending your book. Pricing is a balance, so if you want it to be attractive to entice buyers, but also profitable for you. So if you're running a promotion, Amazon's algorithm can actually give your book a temporary boost. During promotions, if a ton of people buy or download your books, Amazon's algorithm thinks, wow, something is going on here. Something exciting is happening, and they might bump you up the ranks. And even when the promo ends, you've still got more visibility and potential future buyers. So, to sum it all up, to crack the KDP algorithm, focus on your keywords, keep your sales at a steady velocity, optimize for conversions, gather reviews, and don't forget to experiment with pricing. It does sound like a lot, I know. If you want a deeper dive and a deeper breakdown of any of these different strategies and places, let me know down in the comments. But it's all essentially about building that momentum. So now you know how the Amazon KDP algorithm really works. It's time to take action. And if you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit your notification bells as well. Now, YouTube also has an algorithm, and they are thinking that you should watch this video next. Remember, algorithms are never wrong. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye.